Hello guys, let's do a quick rundown of how much YouTube paid me for 1.2k views. That's going to be on my vlog channel. It's a video of my birthday vlog and an event that I attended 20 days ago. So when you click on it, the overview is 1.2k views, watch time is 103 watch time, the subscribers just 2 subscribers, which is fine. YouTube recommended the video 957 times. That's a lot, and that shows that your channel is not shadow banned. You just need to be more like put in more effort and be more consistent and use more nice title, and YouTube will keep recommending your channel. So other features: notification, channel page, others. The audience retention is 4 minutes 50 seconds, and I love my channel for this. I love my vlog channel for this. The audience retention is really high. It's always very high, because for my other channel it's always like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. But I feel it's because it is vlog, and I already built my community for 4 years, so people are willing to watch me to a certain period, which is really nice, which is really fine. The reach is 11.9k. When you see my video, when you see anybody view, okay, well, I'm also guilty, because now the video I see that I click on. I want to say that, why did you see my video and you did not click on it? But anyways, 11.9 is, those are the amount of people that YouTube put my video in their own page, and it was just 1.2 that clicked to watch. So impression click-through rate is 7.8, definitely. And how viewers share my video, browse feature, YouTube feature, to the extent people search for me, it's me. Look at it, YouTube search them, Black Arab, Roda or Labisi, a day in my life. I don't know who that is, but a day in my life, Black Arab. So the point is, just keep grinding. You'll find your community that will search for you no matter what. Period. And content suggesting the video, one of my videos is two of my videos are suggesting my video, I think, because I put end screen and then some other videos, which is really beautiful. For engagement, we already talked about the watch hour and the average viewer duration. And yeah, for the audience, returning viewers 930k viewers, unique viewers 1k. I love you all so much. Returning viewers, you people are the MPV, you people are the one coming back to watch me, and I love that. So it's just within two, the ages is just within two group, 18 to 24, 25 to 34. I love you all. I don't have males watching me, so it's just female that is watching me. Girls. Oh. Actually, I'm not feeling fine, but I have to do this. How much advertiser paid for this video is $3.44, and my RPM is $1.67, and that wraps it up to $2.15. So for 1.2k views, YouTube paid me $2.15, which is also, they said it is previous 2-day processing. So for 2 days, they've not added 2 days to it, but I don't care. $2.15. So that's that about this vlog channel. This I make money. The higher the views, the higher my money. Yes. So thank you all for sticking to this point. Do well to subscribe, join the community, because I upload practical growth tips that will help you grow on YouTube, and once in a while I review channels, so you can go and check the video uploaded on reviewing channels, and you'll see that I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye. You can be the next channel, so stick true, and let's go together.